Welcome to this video on when to use a view or a lookup in an action flow. Both views and lookups allow you to access data that might not be available from your action flow's input connection points. Both use the same view action node, but they return the data in different ways, with views returning a set of records and lookups returning a single record containing structured data. Views return individual records which flow through the action flow one by one. They are useful where data requires systematic processing, such as updating each order line status for a specific order, or if you have a lot of attributes on a grid, you can pass in the primary key and return all of the attributes using a view. In the example you can see here, we're passing in one company and using a view to return each employee. We can then process each employee record, such as sending individual emails. Lookups return multiple values as structured data, which is typically an array, and that is added to the record performing the lookup. They are useful where a list of data is required in a single attribute, such as passing a list of values to a filter. In the example you can see here, we're passing in one company and using it to look up all of its employees and adding that to the record. We can then process the company with its employee data, such as sending an email to the company containing a list of their employees. In this scenario, where we want to email the company a single list of employees, if we were to use a view here instead of a lookup, the company would get an email for each of its employees, whereas the lookup returns a single record containing the list. To summarise, views return a set of records and lookups add data to the record performing the lookup. To learn more about views, click on the video in the top left, and if you'd like to learn more about lookups, click on the video in the top right.